Hi everyone, this is Srinivas. Welcome to Ameerpet Technologies. In this video, I'm going to explain about HTML tags. See here, as we know that HTML language is a collection of elements. So what are the elements? Every element is a predefined program that I have already explained in the last session. In HTML, suppose if you take HTML, it is one element, right? Head is one element. All these are elements. Then what is the tag? Just writing the HTML element inside the angular brackets is called HTML tag. Writing HTML element inside the angular brackets is called tag. HTML document is a collection of HTML tags only, right? How many types of tags are there? There are two types of tags. First one called non-empty tags or called non-empty elements. We can also called container tags and we can also called paired tags. Any name you can give. Any name. Non-empty tags, paired tags or container tags. So what it contains exactly? So here it contains the start tag as well as end tag. We need to end like this. This is the start tag and this is the end tag. With the help of a slash you can understand that okay, this is the end tag, because where to start and where to end at least we should know whenever you are writing the HTML document. And here you need to specify the content of the tags. Content. Some of the examples, I just want to give some title. Here it is a title. The title, whatever the title, content we are giving. So my title or my web page, and here it is a closing. I just want to write one paragraph. Is a paragraph tag. Here you can write the content of paragraph, and this is the paragraph tag. Right? These are called non-empty elements or non-empty tags or container tags or paired tags. It's a combination of a start tag and end tag. Next one, second one is called unpaired tags. Called unpaired tags. Unpaired tags contains only one tag, is called start tag. We end inside the start tag only. We end inside the start tag. Some of the examples, if you want to break, send the control to the next line. We use a break tag. If you want to display the image, is a image tag, and other tags are there. So what is a tag? Writing HTML element in angular brackets is called tag. What is HTML element? It's a predefined program by which we can design the HTML pages. How many types of tags available? Two types of tags, unpaired tags and paired tags. So paired tags means what? Consist start tag and end tag. Right? The information you must place inside the start and end tag. And here it is unpaired tag means what? Which contains only the start tag. We need to end inside the same tag only. These are the two types of tags available. So next one is whenever you are developing the HTML code, every HTML document contains two types of locations, head location and body location, which are representing with the head location tags and body location tag. What are the things we will define everything? We will discuss in the next video. Thank you all.